Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a receipt on Ryanair. Okay, you're planning your next adventure with your Ryanair or with Ryanair and need that all important receipt for your records or expense claims. Okay, so whether it's for your flight booking, in-flight purchases, or VAT invoices, I've got you covered. So in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to retrieve your receipt using the Ryanair web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to www.ryanair.com and click on login in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your email and password to access your account. And of course, once logged in, go ahead and click on my bookings from the menu, which is at the top right corner of your screen. And once you click on that, here you will see in this window a list of all your upcoming and past flights. I do not have any, so there is nothing to show, but if you do, you're going to find them here. So find the flight for which you need the receipt and click on view itinerary or manage booking. So you're going to find view itinerary or manage booking right next to your flights. Click on any. Then it's going to take you to the booking details page. Within the booking details, look for an option labeled download receipts or download booking and in-flight receipts. Go ahead and click on it to download your receipts in PDF format. Your confirmation email also serves as your receipt or proof of purchase when you book a flight or add extras to your itinerary. So I'm going to take you to the next part, which is obtaining receipts from in-flight purchases. And how do you do that? Head over to www.ryanairreceipts.com, www.ryanairreceipts.com. Then enter your travel date and flight number, provide the card holder's name and the last 4 digits of the card used for the purchase. After filling in the details, go ahead and click on submit, and your e-receipts will be generated and available for download. Ryanair no longer issues paper receipts on board to promote sustainability, so digital receipts are available through their website. All right, so you can also request a VAT invoice. So how do you do that? While booking your flight, just scroll to the bottom of the payments page and enter your VAT details in the designated field. For domestic flights within certain EU countries, a VAT receipt will be automatically emailed to you. And for international flights, VAT doesn't apply, but you can still request an invoice during the booking. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.